Take a deep breath. Unconditional love. What does that even mean? To accept something completely as it is. To not let my mind judge it. To be honest. I don't think my judgments are always bad, though. I think it's healthy to let myself judge things. At least sometimes. I mean, if I didn't judge whether food was expired, I would get sick. Sometimes judgment keeps me safe. I don't think anything is totally good or bad, but maybe that's the point. Maybe the point of unconditional love is to understand that I'm not totally good or bad either. But sometimes I feel like I'm more bad than good. I use the logic side of my brain to build up a case of evidence against myself. And then I stack up all that evidence and start believing that I'm not good. Not good enough. Not smart enough. Not successful enough. Not pretty enough. Not skinny enough. Or cool enough. Or sexy enough. Or whatever enough. And it makes me really sad. But that's not how I feel about other people or cats or hedgehogs. I honestly don't really have very strong opinions on hedgehogs. I'm pretty sure they're just out there doing their own thing. So why can't I be out there just doing my own thing? You know, some indigenous cultures believe that humans are like plants, that we're here just to exist. And we don't necessarily need to strive for more. That we're no different than a leaf or a hedgehog. And whatever we did today was just fine. When we photograph a cat yawning, they didn't do anything other than just being a cat. Or celebrating them existing. And it's time to celebrate myself existing. So maybe unconditional love is just about reframing my thinking. That however I exist is beautiful. So I'm declaring an intention today. that I am willing to believe even 1% differently, even if it's uncomfortable. That however I exist is beautiful. All right, take a breath, take a break, drink some water. That's just the setup. We're not done. Let me know how you're feeling in the chat. Feeling grateful. All right. Oh, love existing with you all right now. I love it. All right, let's go. I am beautiful. I am doing great. I am so freaking cool. People ask me what I did today. And my answer was, I was me. You know, when people say to Beyonce, "You're Beyonce." And she says, "Thank you." That's my new energy. I am me. And that's so amazing. How many people in my ancestry had to be born and not die and get pregnant and survive childbirth in environments without running water during a war just for me to be here, existing with you all right now? And if thousands of people in my lineage can do that before me, I know I am strong. It is literally in my blood. And today, on this day of love, it is pumping through me. And I know that I can do anything. I am the only person who has seen what I can do the whole time. Anyway, I get me. I get me the most. And I know everything I'm capable of. And I know all my excuses. And I have the most amount of empathy for myself. And I have the most amount of belief anyone could have in me. Because I have seen everything from the front row Actually, I've seen it from the stage because I am the star of this show. And I can call intermission. I can call an encore. I can extend the tour. I can do 10 outfit changes. I can hire backup dancers or increase ticket prices. I can cancel tonight's show. I can quit altogether if I want. It's all up to me. But I can't control if people in the audience don't like my new song. Or they can't come because it's raining. Or they think my new look is weird. Because I'm just me, and this is life. But I'm out here in the arena, being as vulnerable and real as I can be. Which is just one of the reasons why I love myself so damn much. I'm so grateful for all of the things that have happened in my life. The good, the bad, the ugly, the tragic. Because I learned and I am growing. And I am loving myself in each era of myself. Unconditional love doesn't mean that I'm blind where I can grow. It means I love, accept, and forgive myself. As I notice what needs to be tended to. And I grow it with grace intentionally. And I do that. I love, accept, and forgive myself with true grace and humility, both in this moment with what I have and what I can do now. As well as the times that I haven't had as much kindness for myself. Because I had high expectations and standards. But that's only because I know I want to be a great person. But now I know that greatness can't come through shame. It must come through a softness, a tender love, a hug mixed with a deadline, and a real purpose. In my heart, because I believe in the power of me. And so it is. Take a deep breath in. Drink some water. Let me know what came up for you. My candle just finished burning. How are you feeling? Teared up saying some of those affirmations. Warmth and softness in your body where there was tension, comfort, feeling solidarity and community. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Emanating truth and authentic smile.